returning money modulus 1.5. Remember, our modulus sign only returns the remainder. Take note of that. I believe you haven't forgotten. That is why I haven't actually talked much about it. The modulus sign returned the remainder of whatever value that we have. Okay, so we're going to say return. We have calc change. On calc change. Okay. Return calc change. Yep. It's a function with two parameters. The first parameter is what? Is starting amount. Now our starting amount is money. So we have money. And then the costs per bottle is 1.5, right? 1.5. Okay. So we have this. Let's test and see if it works. Save this. Come over to the browser to refresh this. It's still working. Is it working? It's working perfectly. Now, the purpose why you should have function in your program or in your code is, let's say now, maybe we were given $200 the next time. $200. We don't need to come and touch the logic again. The logic remains the same. Why the value changes? So instead of us recreating another logic from the scratch and all of that, we don't need that. We have this now. Now let's say, okay, let's say also the price per bottle. The price of one bottle has increased now to $3.5. You know, the whole word is, these are the only values to change. And we can also reduce this. We can also reduce this. Let's say if we have this 1.5, does that mean we're going to be changing the 1.5 as often as possible? Why can't we also just create a parameter for this, and then we only change it once and for all from the button, instead of us coming here to repeat this? I don't know if you get that. Okay, so let's add this. Let's say cost per bottle as a second parameter here. So in the place of this 3.5, we now have cost per bottle. In the place of this 3.5 also, we have cost per bottle. Oops. Cost per bottle. So since we have get milk now, it's now carrying two parameters. So we need to come down here, pass the second parameter. Save this. Refresh. We have this. So in case if we need to change anything now, any value now, maybe okay, the user is now having $500, and now a bottle is not sold for $7.9. These are the only places where we come and effect the changes, while the logic and every other thing remain intact. Like that. Save. Come over to refresh. Is it working? It's working. All right, everyone. In the next clip, we are going to be looking at. I'm going to be giving you some assessment to test your knowledge on how far you have really gone. Remember, it is really important for you to try some challenges by replicating these codes yourself. So in the next lesson, I will be giving you a challenge to vet your understanding. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in just a moment. Thank you.